The Resource Center, making a difference in people's lives. A regional manufacturer offering subcontract capabilities. The Resource Center provides services to individuals in our community who have intellectual and developmental disabilities. The Resource Center also provides jobs for those same individuals at our manufacturing facility on Jones and Gifford Avenue. However, many people are unaware of the scope of work that TRC handles on a daily basis. Allied Industries, a division of TRC, has been a supplier to the U.S. Armed Forces for over 30 years. TRC Allied also manages more than a dozen subcontract work projects. We will highlight some of this subcontract work on the following slides. The Resource Center's manufacturing division, Allied Industries, has been working with local and regional manufacturers for over 30 years. Allied provides reliable, supervised, and enthusiastic employees to tackle production bottlenecks and add value through labor-intensive processes. Allied Industries customizes its solutions to customers' unique circumstances. Outsourcing, contract labor, contract assembly, value-added production. In 2016, the Resource Center brought in $40.4 million in revenue. 40% of all Resource Center revenue in 2016 came directly from manufacturing sales. The Resource Center employs 1,600 people and is the second largest non-governmental employer in Chautauqua County and 43rd largest employer in Western New York. Spotlighting our relationship with Trucklight. The challenge? Trucklight business and development of new parts has increased over the years. This created an opportunity for them to subcontract some of their small assembly work. Their solution? The Resource Center and Allied, who have been able to provide the quality, low-cost labor and delivery timing needed for a number of these projects. The result? A relationship between TRC and Allied and Trucklight that provides work and training experience for our employees on a job that could help them secure a position in the manufacturing field in the future.
I think it's important to understand that the things that the Resource Center can do might be surprising. Let them have the opportunity. They'll be frank about what they can and can't do. They do right now provide to us product for OEM production. It is serial production for us. It isn't just inspection work, and it is high quality, reliable, flexible production.
Let's look at ZURN, who was in need of an organization to take on the assembly of their poppet valves. TRC Allied was able to utilize some of our talented employees and set up an assembly line and produce these poppets in a timely manner and at a reasonable cost. Because of this, we were able to put individuals with disabilities to work and save ZURN money while creating a solid business relationship between ZURN and TRC Allied. Have you heard of DAHLSTROM Rollform? DAHLSTROM Rollform wanted to move a work cell that was on their work floor and place it at TRC Allied to help reduce cost and free up floor space. DAHLSTROM Rollform moved the machinery to the Resource Center. We're able to assemble the parts here and ensure quality, cost, and delivery back to DAHLSTROM. The result? We have saved DAHLSTROM Rollform valuable hours of their skilled labor force and reduced the cost of this process by bringing it to the Resource Center Allied.
I've used the clients at the Resource Center in the past, and their quality is excellent and their work ethic is very good. The clients knew what the quality level was and what they needed. My simple task to them was, if you look at that part, would you buy it? And if they said yes, then we put it in the box. If they said no, then we just set it aside. And that was the simplest, and we had no rejects off of that line for the 3 or 4 years that they were operating there.
Southern Tier Brewing Company was interested in relocating their pack line from Buffalo to a local partner that would help them pack their variety packs of craft beer. The Resource Center Allied was able to construct a location and a team dedicated to Southern Tier beer and create a packing line that assembles boxes, tracks damaged or faulty bottles, and packs beer in a timely manner. In relocating the operation from Buffalo, Southern Tier Beer has seen a decrease in improperly packed beer packs, which allow them greater flexibility when readying items for shipment. This allows for daily pickups, and the product gets returned to Southern Tier Beer to be shipped to customers sooner.
We've had really good success with the Resource Center. Prior to doing business with them, variety pack errors, packaging errors was our #1 customer complaint that we had with the company that we were doing business with. We were getting right around 12 to 13 per month as far as errors, and we've gone down to 1 in a year and a half. So we wanted to bring it back more local. Their quality control is really pretty amazing. This is something that I really love. When I stop down to the Resource Center, which is pretty regular, to walk in the room where they're doing the repack and, you know, seeing especially some of the guys and gals that have been there for a while on the line doing the repack, and to walk in and see them with Southern Tier swag on, and, you know, really, they're really proud to be doing what they're doing. We love the fact that we're able to throw some work at, you know, folks that have some disadvantages and give them some meaningful work to do. We employ people with disabilities because we do work with the Resource Center. What they do for us is they repack our pack of pails into the variety pack for us. I would highly recommend, you know, any company that has, you know, some assembly work that could be done off-site or even at their location to consider talking with the Resource Center, because they've worked out really, really well for us.
Stanley Black & Decker owns Mac Tools, and they were in need of an American-made cover for their toolboxes. The Resource Center and Allied Sewing Department was able to re-engineer the covers from China and utilize our sewing skills from previous jobs to assist with their needs. TRC Allied has been making covers for roughly 3 years now and are looking to develop new products for Stanley Black & Decker and Mac Tools in the future. Like most of our customers, Worley Drink Works was also in need of a dedicated low-cost labor to do light assembly and shrink wrap their containers. Worley provides the equipment, and the Resource Center and Allied provides people to fulfill their light assembly work. Worley and TRC Allied have been working together for many years. We recently constructed a clean room to meet SQF regulations that was required for the Worley shrink wrap process.
They absolutely feel like part of our team, and that is one of the things that we want them to feel, and they're all in the group with us, and they recognize that, they take pride in it. They are focused on doing their best, and I guess that's what you see. They're fast, they move faster, and the amount that they can get done in a period of time is way beyond the expectation that many people would have if they were not knowledgeable on what the ability is of a disabled person.
Even the Air Force came to us to develop a new first aid kit that is designed to be more functional for the airmen in the field. So we were successful in having our engineers work with people in the Air Force to design the JFAK, which is a clamshell pouch. The result? The Resource Center has designed, produced and packed the JFAKs for the Air Force, which employs nearly 50 to 60 individuals with disabilities daily.